Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. That's only depend on you, what they want to choose for you. When I smile, I feel good. When you smile, I feel much better. Use your smile to change the world. Don't let the world change your smile. Dear whoever is reading this, I hope you have a reason to smile today. More smiling, less worrying. More companion, less judgment. More blessed, less stressed. More love, less hate. Life in itself has no meaning. Life with an opportunity to create meaning. Your cute smile melt my soul. Good morning. Have a good day.